Today I'm heading up to see one of my oldest friends. About 3 years ago, he built his new home. When it came time to choose his HVAC system, he asked me what I thought he should put in. Now that's a different kind of conversation. Not a sales call, not a client meeting, just two people who've known each other for a long time. He lives about 5 hours away from me. I didn't install it, my crews didn't touch it, and I didn't choose the contractor. He got multiple quotes, he evaluated his options, and he made his own call on who would do the work. All I gave him was my judgment about the equipment itself. And that's why I've been thinking about this on my drive up. Because when you give advice to someone you care about, you don't get to hide behind marketing language. You're accountable. This isn't the first time I've been up here. I helped him build parts of the house. But today I'm looking at something specific. Has that recommendation held up? Not on paper, not in theory, but through real winters, real bills, and real life. That's the real test. So this is the warming shack behind me, Sterling built. Pretty cool. Let me give you a tour. Barbecue for the hot dogs and everything. They're getting that lit up. Doing a documentary about, oh my God, look at that. Chef Boyardee. Oh, it's getting nice and warm in here. Good fire. And the hot dogs. Nice. So that's the shack. And we even have a fire going outside. We're early, so no one here, none of the riders have been through yet. And Sterling's game. Throw out, where's Elmo? And the idea is you got to take Elmo and you got to toss him through one of those rings.
I like the fun.
He does 3 in a row, he's showing off. Look at that. I just wanted to get a picture of the shack with the snow, or the... Okay, I'm on my way to help clean up from the snowmobile rally yesterday. I got all my gear on because I got to go from my truck to a snowmobile to pick up everything, then back to my truck, then back here again. So lots of fun. We had almost 200 riders on the snowmobile rally yesterday, and they raised funds for the Snowmobile Club, which is a great way for everyone to get out and get some fresh air. I'm heading home now. This weekend wasn't a work trip. We had a snowmobile rally going on, and I helped one of the warming stations. It was just a good break. But I kept thinking about something. Most HVAC decisions feel important the day they're made. But the real importance shows up later. Not in how impressive the equipment looks, not in what brand badge is on the cabinet, but whether life moves on without disruption. He paid more upfront intentionally because it isn't temporary. This is his long-term home, and the decision held up. No stress, no second guessing, no, I wish I'd done it differently. That's what good judgment looks like long-term. It's quiet. The real goal of HVAC isn't performance, it's predictability. And predictability is what allows people to focus on everything else in their lives. That's what I try to protect when I give advice. Not brand, not a product, a future version of comfort. Thank you for watching. Stay comfortable, and please stay tuned.